Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing the Posh case for the month of January 2018. This time the theme of the box is the New Me Fitness Edition, and this box is priced at rupees 1299. You will get a 10% off when you use this code. Let's go in and see right away what all we received. This time it's quite a huge bag. I have unwrapped all the things. So this is the first product which I have received. It is a big bag. It's almost like a duffel bag. Just look at the size. It's a huge duffel bag and it's in a beautiful color and a lovely print. The material is so beautiful and honestly I quite loved it. Though this edition is supposed to be a fitness edition and it talks about this being used as a gym bag, but I honestly think this is a perfect travel bag and you can use it wherever you want, and I think you can just carry it. And yes, I do travel frequently and I am going to use this as my travel tote. So let us see how it looks from inside. So it is quite big. I mean, I hope you can see this inside. There is no partition inside, but it's a big bag. It's honestly a very big bag, and there are zippers on the side to keep your extra stuff. It's there on both the sides. So this is how it looks. So honestly, I am in love with this bag. I actually loved the duffel bag which they have given, or a gym bag, whatever you call it. And I think this is the star product without any doubt. Then I can see another box which is again an exciting product. It is from the Bragg store and this is priced at rupees 1049 rupees. Guys, a few months ago we had received another product from the Bragg store and I had loved it. Again, this is only unique to Posh case, where they send you such unique stuff, and this time it's a sports bralette from the Bragg store, and honestly this is such a beautiful bralette. You can see a mesh back here. It's absolutely trendy. I loved it, and the good part is that the size is pretty appropriate, and you could also go ahead and change the size if the size does not fit you well. So yes, honestly loved this product too. The next thing I have received is this cute packaging. I think it is a pair of socks. Yes, it is. And oh my god, these are so sweet. I quite love them. They are so cute and so pretty. So look at the packing. I think they are just perfect. I loved it. Then we have received this dumbbell shaped water bottle, and yes, again a very exciting stuff. I am so thrilled seeing all these products, guys. Honestly, it's so beautiful. The next product is again well wrapped, and this is the next product. It is a full size towel. It's a very beautiful shade and the quality is very nice. The texture is nice and soft. So again, this is a very useful product. And guys, there is more. So this time we have got lot of products. The next product that we have received is this legging. It is a cotton legging, and I think you can use this anyway. I mean, you can use this for your gym, for your yoga, or you could just simply use this legging along with your kurtis and your kurtas. It will look perfect, and it is a grey colored legging, so I quite like this. Yes, I think this is quite a nice product too. And then comes the last product. It is from Aroma Essentials. Let me open this. Okay, so this is the last product in this bag. It is an Aroma Essentials orange splash, and the fragrance is so refreshing. So this is basically suitable for pigmented skin and dry skin. It has orange juice, essential oils, and it helps in skin lightening. Citric acid balances the pH level of the skin. The directions to use is: wet your face, apply 1 gram cleanser, that is a peanut size cleanser, and massage all over the face and rinse it with water. You can use this on a daily basis. So I quite like this product too. It's quite promising. I think Posh case has really outdone themselves. This month's bag is the best bag I have ever received from Posh case, and not only from Posh case, I think this is the one of the most promising announcing subscriptions for the month of January. So girls, this is absolutely worth much more than the cost you're paying. So girls, I would really recommend getting this subscription box. Do not miss out on this subscription box. Even if you are not into gymming or into exercise, I think each and every product in this box is absolutely usable and everyone can use it. So honestly, a very big thumbs up to Posh Case. I loved this subscription and I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to hearing from you. Love you all. Bye for now.